Hello, my name is Simoes. I'm a customer experience specialist here at Prosymmetry, and in this Tempest University video, we'll be going over how to create a task list and associate it with a project template. So first thing we're going to want to do, we're going to want to go into admin settings, and then we'll scroll down in this miscellaneous section here to task management, and we'll go ahead and hit create new list. First, we're going to give this task list a name. So I'll go ahead and call mine just default. Next, we can go ahead and type in the tasks that we would like to create. So we'll say research, develop, implement, and build. Okay, just a pretty standard list for web design. And then we have this area here for associate with. So we have a couple of different options here. So this first one is going to be regular projects. That's going to be any project that is created. That's typical. So we can go ahead and hit regular projects and it'll be associated. We also have this is our project intake workflow. That is a workflow project. Additionally, any templates that are created within your environment will also be available here. So you can actually associate these tasks with a specific project template or a specific project workflow, if that's what you're looking to do. In my instance, we'll just go ahead and do regular projects. We'll go ahead and hit save. And then let's go ahead and go to project management, and we'll go ahead and create a new project. We'll do regular project. I'll name this one Artemis 12. And set a date. Go ahead and hit create. And on the screen, what we can see is, I've just created this project. If we go ahead and go to group by task, we can actually see that the generic research, develop, implement, build. These four here are the tasks that I just created in that task list, and they've already been automatically created within this project, as well as the generic, which is created on every project. So this is how you create a task list, how you associate with them, how you associate project templates with them. So as we can see here, the research, develop, implement, and build tasks that I just created in that task list and associated with the regular project group are already brought in here and already created. So very helpful if you have a lot of the same tasks on different projects or different project types. Again, you can associate these with both workflow projects as well as project templates, so that any project created based off that template or that workflow will have the required task that you would like. So pretty straightforward, but definitely a powerful tool within Tempest.